Hello everyone, this is Angeli with Risk and Safety Solutions. Today I'm going to go over how to complete the investigation for a reported incident. To get started, you should have received an email notifying you that an incident has been assigned to you for investigation. Select the link in that email and log in with your single sign-on. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the incident report. All investigations related to the incident are listed at the top of the report, like here. Select the View button to open the investigation form assigned to you. This should open up a read-only page view of the investigation report. When you are ready to fill out the form, select the Begin Investigation button at the top right corner. We can now start filling out the form. Please answer them as accurately as possible. We will go through the entire form. So did the workplace violence incident result in an injury? For the incident I am investigating, the answer is no. Was law enforcement contacted? Again, for the incident I am investigating, the answer is no. But if you have selected yes, a text box will open and you will need to include which law enforcement agency or department you have contacted. A classification of workplace violence type. In this case, I will be selecting this: no legitimate business, meaning having been removed, suspended, or trespassed, etc., from a public site, and that person returns. Corrective measures for workplace violence hazards selected below will be specific to a given work area. So select all of the corrective measures that will be given to a work area. In this case, I have debriefed with expected employees and improved lighting around at the workplace. If you have selected other, just like the other fields in above, there will be a text box that's going to be opening up for you to fill out more details. In this case, I don't have anything, so I will uncheck that. And next is employee training or retraining or refreshers provided on the workplace violence plan, which could include but are not limited to the following. Select all that apply. In this case, I have to review department management and employees' communication with each other, as well as to provide or review employee, supervisor, and management training on emergency action procedures. Again, if you selected other, a text box will pop up for you to enter the details. And if you want to add attachment to your investigation, you can also select the Add Attachment. Select the file from your machine, and this will be automatically added to the report. If you want to remove an attachment, select the file icon, select the three dots, and select Delete Attachment. Sorry about that. And you can also enter additional comments if you have any additional comments regarding the investigation. When ready, select the Submit button at the top right of your screen. Once complete, you and your program admin will then receive a confirmation email that the investigation assigned to you has been completed. And now your investigation portion has been completed. Please reach out to Risk and Safety Solutions if you have any questions. Thank you.